Hey guys, Lili here, and today we are unboxing our March Sketchbox.
We are indeed.
Uh-huh.
So this is, we stayed with the same subscription, so this is the $40-ish subscription. And to start with, on the box, there is art by Creative Kara. Do you want to show them the art?
Sure.
Do it this way.
Oh.
It's a cool lighthouse, and so Kara must have posted on #Sketchbox when she did hers, and it got her art on the box.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe when Eli's ready, he will do that.
Yeah, Daddy, can I open it?
Yep, go ahead.
Okay, let's take this.
I already untaped it, so you just need to open the box.
Okay. Hi. Okay.
Want some help?
I just needed to get a bit more tape off.
All right.
Let's open it.
Just grab something and pull it out. Don't look too close. What do we got?
Oh.
We have a 4x6. Oh, it's a little canvas. It's just a little 4x6 blank canvas to paint. So I wonder if there's painting stuff in this box.
And that's why we got confetti.
Confetti, as always. Eli's favorite part of the Sketchbox is the confetti. All right, let's put this over here.
Yeah.
Do you want to grab? No, that doesn't work either. We'll put it over here. Okay, what's next?
Confetti.
Okay, we got more confetti. All right, and
A new Sketchbox sticker.
a new Sketchbox sticker, of course. It's got to be a Sketchbox sticker. What else?
Can I open it?
Well, why don't we read it first? What's it say?
It says ink 30 ml.
ML is for milliliter.
Okay, now let's see what's inside. It looks like a little glitter ink thing.
It is. It's iridescent, rich bronze ink by Liquitex. Interesting. So there's our ink.
And here's the case that it came in.
That's the box. Yeah.
I don't know why I called it a case.
Okay, so that's cool.
It's dripping.
That'll be cool to add. We actually have some pretty cool fountain pens, so that'll be really cool to use.
Now we have Cop ink.
Copic.
Copic, opaque white.
Opaque.
Opaque white. So let's open this.
So open it and see what it is.
See what this is all about. If I can open it.
Would you like a hand? Just gotta pull the top. You got it! You got it! You got it!
Yeah. So let's bend this off and let's see what's inside this one. Copic,
Copic, opaque.
opaque white.
And it's, so here it is, Copic, opaque, white. And it says, with built-in fine brush.
And here's the box.
Well, that's interesting. It does. It has a very, very, very fine little brush on the end. That's really cool.
What I didn't see is actually clear so you could see what's inside.
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
So Copic, opaque, white. Interesting. Made in Japan. Water-based paint for adding fine details, it says.
Yeah, and then we can't read this, so I guess it's your take.
I think it says
Can I open it?
Kuretake, because it's Japanese. It's a brush pen number 7.
There's that.
Yeah, it's all in Japanese, and sadly we don't speak Japanese.
Yeah,
But
can
we'll
I
let
open
Eli open it and see what there is. Can you get it? You want some help getting it started? Beautiful. Oh, show them muscles!
Now I just need to get this back paper off.
Yeah. Okay, go.
My bad.
So these look actually like ink wells for the... Interesting. I'm going to have to look at this. These look like almost like ink cartridges for a fountain pen.
And this looks like the little thing that you put the ink in.
Why don't you open the top and see what it is?
There that is.
Okay. So this is a very, very light. So slow down, slow down. Yeah, it's got a little tip on it. This is interesting. So I bet if we unscrew this guy,
the ink, there's probably going to be a little slot down there for ink.
Yeah, so these just will go in here. Whoop. So that's really interesting. It's like a brush pen, but and a fountain pen all at the same time.
And then you just put these little ink thingy-majigs in there, and then bang, it shoots out little pieces of paint.
Yeah, then it'll have ink coming out the end. That's really cool. A neat little brush pen, actually. That'll be fun to use, huh?
Yep.
Okay.
Right, get out of here, garbage.
We don't need no garbage. All right, what's next?
It looks like this thing, which looks to be a large brush.
Very cool.
So let's open it and see what's inside.
When you open it, be careful with the tip, okay?
Okay.
Other end.
Other end?
Yeah.
Isn't it this thing?
Right.
See it?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay.
Pull that open.
Whoa.
And just shake it out. Come on in, shake it out.
Oh, hang on. I think it's going to help if I push on the end.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just
All
going.
right, let me help you.
Okay, I was
All
just going to push it to victory.
So this one says, long round Princeton velvet touch. Ew, feel the handle. It's got a really, really cool, velvety touch grip to it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we'll have to soak this to loosen up the bristles.
Can I show them?
Yep.
Yeah, but you guys could feel this right now.
Yeah, it feels really cool, doesn't it?
And there's the tip.
I know, I put the camera a little far away today. So here it is with a really cool, very nice tip on the end. So, and again, that was a Princeton Velvet Touch long round brush, and it feels awesome. Like
Hey,
I've never felt a paintbrush like that.
Do you know what's next?
What's next?
Confetti!
More confetti.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, what's that?
It looks to be an orange pen thingy-majig.
Well, what's it say on it?
Okay.
Faber-Castell. That's the brand.
And then Germany.
It's made in Germany.
And then, that's right, in cursive, I can't read that.
It says polychromos. Looks like it's an orange color pencil of some kind. We'll have to look at the orange glaze is the name of it. We'll have to look at the card and see exactly
And there's
what
one
that
last
is.
thing in here.
Oh, what is it?
Confetti!
All right, so there's confetti. All right, so.
Yay! Confetti, confetti, confetti!
Now we have the cards. So, ooh, look at that art. What do you think of that?
Yeah.
So this month's art, there it is. It's by Melissa, and I'm going to butcher this, Sukana. And that's very, very, very cool. And I'll flip this around so you can see her contact info on there if you want to reach out to her Facebook or whatever and check out more of her stuff.
Let's see what the final thing is.
The final thing is going to tell us what everything was.
Sketchbox March Premium Box is what it says at the top there. And there's nothing on the back. Liquix Professional Metallic Art.
This one.
Arcycle ink, retail price, and then it's just $7.49. Colors vary.
Yep, so that one's $7.49. What's next? Kuretake. So that's this one. I think that's how you pronounce that. So that's this guy.
Kuretake Zig Hoso Taku. Food pen.
Number 7.
Yeah, no 7.7. Retail price $6.94.
So that's this again. Very cool.
And that one is $6.94.
What's next?
Next one is the Princeton Velvet Touch Round Size 8. Retail price $14.25. Staff favorite.
Yeah, that's a very, very cool brush. We don't know a lot about brushes yet, but that's cool.
But it says staff favorite
Okay, so
in the parentheses.
That's the staff favorite item. Okay. What's next? Copic?
Copic Operaku white with brush. Retail price $8.99, so basically $9. And that's another staff favorite.
Okay.
So there's 2 staff favorites in here.
Nice.
So and that's that one, and then
this one.
So that's that one, and
this.
Can I hold up the favorites?
Sure.
So these two right here are the favorites. Do 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 do.
Okay. What's next?
Faber-Castell Cychromes or Polychromes orange glaze retail price is $2.85, so that's actually kind of surprisingly cheap.
Yeah, let me see this. I want to see what this is. So these colored pencils contain the highest quality pigments for unsurpassed light fastness. I've never heard of that word. They feature a buttery smooth color laydown and are really easy confetti. Use them to add dimension and depth of color once your acrylic ink has dried.
Yeah, and guess what, Daddy? And since you read that off, this calls for more confetti!
And then the last thing is the bonus item. So instead of a sketch pad, we got a little 4x6 canvas.
Can I open it?
Well, there's nothing to open. It's just a canvas. Like, remember how we did the acrylic pour art? This is just a canvas. Don't peel anything.
Okay.
So it's just for like doing our art on.
Okay, so like if this had ink in it, I could. So if this had ink on it, I could just.
Don't do that though. Yeah.
Okay, I could just go do.
Yep, you can just brush on it. We'll play with this stuff and we'll do another reveal video later in the week like we did last time.
Then you could just. Then you could just do this. Do 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 do.
Just like that. And you got to have the sound effects or it doesn't work right.
Yeah.
All right. So that is our March unboxing. It looks like we got lots of couple cool inks. We got a cool brush pen slash pen.
Got the brush here.
A brush. So it's gonna be cool to try and figure out what we can create with this.
And then we've got the ink tubes. Is what I'm gonna call those things.
Okay, perfect.
And before we end of this, can I show them the staff favorites again?
Okay, one more time and then tell them goodbye.
Okay, so this is the brush favorite. And then right here we have the, I guess the brush favorite.
Yeah, this one is ink with a little brush on it, which is really cool.
So it's like ink came in the brush, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's water-based pigment, it says, so it's not actually ink.
But it is still basically worth the same.
Yeah, it's for making like highlights and stuff.
Hold on.
All right, so that's our March unboxing. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, I will, and we will see you next time. Bye.